alaikum guys. Now we have to do this tart. I have this mold. I just got it from some shops. They sell the equipment for the making cake. I put sheer cream inside and the baking paper as if I am making a real tart. Now I'll bring the salt dough. I make it before and I try to color it with little bit of pastel color like beige, little bit yellowish color. It's like the dough which is not cooked. Now I'll try to flatten it like that. And I put it inside exactly how to make the real apple pie. I remove the extra like this. And I make little bit holes inside. Pretending that it will be up when I cook it. I take another dough, salt dough, I color it yellow, but little bit darker. Because I'm going to make now the apples. I flat it with the roller like that, but not too much. I need to have some volume. I cut them stripes like this, then I cut them cubes. Like that. Now, I cut them and I will start now to make the sauce for the apple. I'll take raisin, A and B, same amount. I prefer raisin because raisin will give, when I mix it with the apples, it give it a very shiny look. So it will look like that the real apple pie when they put butter inside. Make sure to make equal quantity to avoid that it will not getting harder. I mix them nicely. Then I put a little bit color of white and I mix pastel color. Now I get the sauce. That's how we make the sauce. If we want to make like strawberry sauce or something, then we will change the color to a little bit yellow. Now it's time to put the apples inside. Those apples was outside a little bit, so they are a little bit hard. Okay. Not too much hard because I want when I mix them, I'm putting here now a little bit of cinnamon. It really smells very good. And it looks like real little bit. Okay, so I will mix them and I try to smash little bit of these apples so it look like real. Then I put them in the tart. Now nothing is baked yet. I just prefer that it let it dry in the air. I put it back now. Now if you don't have those kind of molds, you can use the 7-Up or Pepsi or any of the drinks cover on top. It look like this one, so you can use it. Or you can make a plastic mold and spray it with silver. Then any bottle covered or something, it can be used by spraying it in silver. Now I have the same dough. I cut it stripes like that because that's how I'm gonna put it on top of the apples in the apple pie. Make sure they will be the same size because in the end it will give a good look. Like this. I remove them and I separate them. And I start making them this way. Now, the apples is mixed with the sauce, and the sauce is basically raisin, so it's going to stick. If the raisin is dry, then I need to put PVA glue so those stripes will stick to the apple. But there is no need in this case because still it is sticky from the raisin. You got my point? I put them next to each other like that, equal space. And when I cut, I try to stick the edges with the edge of the pie. Again, I'm sticking the edge with the pie like this, so it will be easy for me to remove one and leave one, move another one and leave another one, like that. And I start doing the same steps as I did before, but this time is opposite. See, I'm putting a little bit pressure so it will stick with the apples. Now, other side. I keep doing this till the end of the whole quantity. Try to keep them next to each other, but not sealed at 100% because we still need the apple inside and those things to have to dry, so we need them to face a little bit air. And we need to see also what's going on inside the apple. It gives a good look. Yeah, I remove the excess. I'll use it in something else. That's it. Then start to coloring it. I'm using pastel color. You can also use it in water. You can use also watercolor, very thin, but I prefer here the pastel color. I color it from outside to inside. I mean, inside is lighter and outside is a little bit darker. Yeah. Then I serve it and I cut inside. Then you will see the apple is falling. When you serve it in a plate, the apple will be like falling, and add more sauce to give a final look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try it, please mention to me. I really like to see your work. How fun is that? Bye bye. Yummy, 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 yummy. See the sauce? And the cinnamon. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next time. Oh, in my next video. Bye.